So here's the thing. You got some good looking wheels for your car. The thing is the new width and the offset of the rear wheels make it so it hits this lip up in here every once in a while when you go over a bump. So you gotta roll these things and curl them up. So I'm gonna show you how to do it quick and easy and safely. So let's get started. So you're gonna wanna jack the back of the car up, because this being a limited slip rear end, both wheels are gonna have to be able to turn when you actually use the rolling tool. So I'm gonna jack this thing up. But before you jack it up, since this is drive wheels and the front wheels, they don't have any way to stop it. You need to put some kind of block in front of there. So we'll go do that. You go over to your yard and you find yourself a good sized rock, like the one I got here. And then we're gonna take this rock and you're gonna strategically place it under the front wheel so it can't roll. So, right there. Is it in there? Yeah, that's good enough. So now the car can't roll. Now that I got the car jacked up, wheels off the ground, you need to think safety. So, go over to your wood pile and go get yourself a couple pieces of wood. Yeah, this one's nice and light, won't be too hard to carry. So we're gonna take this, and we're gonna put that, stuff it up in there under the frame. Here to tell you, you need to make sure you go out and get yourself a quality tool made by Eastwood. Not any of that cheap crap you get back in China. You want yourself a quality Eastwood unit, not any of that cheap Chinese crap. All right, so we went ahead, we got this thing adjusted like you've seen in other videos. So now we just got one more step to get this thing going. Come this way. Now that we got all that in place and ready to go, you just jump back into your car. You go ahead, give it a start. Put it into drive and rev it up. That'll sound right.